dope car. I love this.
I like the body style.
It's the fucking turbo, dude. This turbo sport car with nice exhaust.
Is it really?
It's an automatic and it drives like a stick.
Does it?
I think it's got a dual clutch.
Pretty cool though. Is that a full roof? Look back.
Oh shit, that's a full glass roof, dude. I'm gonna go trade my Hyundai for one of these bad boys.
Tell you what.
I got fucking heated and cooled seats too, dude. Look at the interior.
Does it?
Yeah.
What is this model?
It's an ELANTRA GT. ELANTRA GT. GT, ELANTRA, yeah.
Wow.
I don't know. I feel like this is aftermarket. I don't know if this might be. Is that aftermarket? No, I think that's factory.
The wire wouldn't be.
No, this wire's for this.
Oh, something else. That might be factory then. If it is, that's okay. It matches all the rest of it, you know, color.
That sounds better than that Golf R.
That sounds fucking nice.
That sounds better than that Golf R.
I'll even